Okay, we're going to be doing all three confidence intervals with technology. Of course, I could not find a single website that had all three programs, so you're going to be working between two different websites. But we're going to call this 6technology. Very easy to do. So in 6.1, we did confidence intervals for the population mean large samples. And the important part here was remembering that this was a z-score involved. So I'm just taking information from one of our examples, exactly the one we had, where our sample mean, I believe it was the number of sentences per advertisement. If you look back, you're going to see we're going to get the exact same answers with a whole lot less work. The standard deviation was 16.54. The sample size was 30. There's our magic number. And we're going to do a 90% confidence interval. So I've given you links in the Google Classroom to take you to the calculator for this. And I will switch over to that right now and show you how it works. So we'll go present now. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Well, let me get it open here first. Mail. Okay, so let me go back. I want to present a tab. This one, share. Okay. So I'm in my email where I have them sent. The first one is this one here, SOCS, I don't even know statistics, but anyway, you'll have to click that. It'll take you to what's called stat calculators. You have to scroll out until you find the one we want, and they're way down toward the bottom here. Confidence intervals. You can see the first one's a single sample confidence interval T statistic. The second one is our Z statistic. So we're going to hit the Z one. And the formula, you don't need to know that. Very easy. You put in the sample mean, which we have 14.77. Put in the sample size, which was 30. The standard deviation was 16.54. And our confidence level on this one was 90%. So let's just select everything and hit calculate. So you go through, find that Z-score, calculate error, do the adding and subtracting, and look at your confidence interval. 9.803. To 19.737. Done. So it's just knowing which calculator to use, and you have to, in this case, use the Z one. So let's go back. How do I stop presenting? Go back to the notes. Okay, on to number 2. 6.2 was confidence interval for population mean small sample. T-score, normally distributed, sample standard deviation given. So an example we had in section 6.2 was the mean temperature of 162 degrees. S was 10 degrees. Sample size was 16. Confidence level 95%. And we did know that this was normally distributed, so we can actually do this. So this one's a T interval. So we're going to go right back to that exact same website. So I'll present now. Go back to where am I? This one? Wait, sphere light. Oh, where'd you go? This one? They're both the same. How do I get that back? Let me try again here. Let's share. I don't know if it worked as well this time. I'll go back to the exact same place I was. Scroll all the way down. The confidence interval section. Now just make sure you take the t-stat calculator. You don't have to make anything. It's the same for you. Sample mean. In this case, it's 162. With the size, which is 16. The standard deviation, so we're doing nothing different than the other one. 95. Standard deviation is 10. We're doing 95%, and you calculate. Because we chose the T calculator, it's using a T value inside the program. And here's the answer. The average temperature is somewhere between 156.67 to 167.33. All right, and our last program is on a different page. Like I said, I couldn't find one page that had all three of them. 6.3 was confidence interval for population proportion. So you'll still go through and make sure the sample's big enough and all that stuff, but let's just take a look at the calculator. So we have a sample size of 1,470. Not X bar, X. The number of successes, 98 successes. Confidence level, 90%. So let's see what this calculator is like. And I have a link to this, so we'll present now. Window. This one. Share. Okay, we're going back here. It's a different one. This one is labeled for population proportion. So we have confidence interval for proportions calculator. Scroll down, it's asking for the n. Oops. $14.70. X, it wants X, 98, and confidence level. It does tell you here if you read to enter as a decimal, so we're going to go 0.90. And then calculate. And over here, it's awful fast. It's giving me the percentages for the population. So 0.0560 to 0.0774. If I want to turn those into percentages, it'd be between 5.6% and 7.74%. Decimal percentages doesn't really matter. Give me the p-hat. Okay, the last one I want to show you is population proportion, where instead of giving you X, I give you the p-hat value. So let's do number 2 here. So this is 6.3. Say our sample size was 500. Confidence level is 92%. And the p-hat is 4%. Okay, so I can switch my camera, but hopefully that helps. So N's 500, P is 92%, p-hat's 4%. So when I come back here, I said was 500. Now here, it wants X, the number of successes. I didn't try this yet, but on the graphing calculator, you can actually multiply 500 times the 0.04, because that was the p hat was 4%. I hit enter. Oh, this one might not do it. So you'll probably have to do that 500 times 4% off to the side to get the X value. So I'll switch back and show you that. So to get X, you take your sample size and multiply it by your p hat as a decimal. So 500 times 0.04 is 20. And this does have to be a whole number, so you'll use regular rounding rules if that comes out a decimal. So we need to put a 20 in there. 0.92 is the confidence level, and then calculate, and it's done already. So 0.0247 and 0.05534. So I'll switch back and show you that, and that's all we have. Right here. Stop presenting. So all I did off to the side here, because I didn't switch back, was we had to actually calculate the X value. It wasn't given to you. And to get X, the number of successes, you just have to take your p hat and multiply by your sample size. So we want 4% of 500. Like I said, you'll always round this to a whole number. I don't think it'll work. At least it doesn't work on the calculator if you put a decimal in there. And then here's the answer that we got. If you wanted percent, it would be 2.47% to 5.53%. Okay, so, and I have those linked in the Google Classroom, so you can get to them. That's it.